vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. It is an absolutely beautiful day here in Calgary. Going to be 27 degrees today, and we're headed to Cars and Coffee with Still Plays with Cars. We got my dad and Marty coming along for a cruise, pulling up behind. We're gonna head down to the Cars and Coffee and check it out. Should be a great time, good people. So let's hit the road. Check out this beautiful car. John with his perfect fitment and new wrap. First time seeing in person. Whoa. Looks good, John. Just got to Deerfoot Meadows Starbucks for Still Plays with Cars. Marty and myself. And we got my dad, mom and dad, in the beautiful M2. Want to see more of this? Go check out his Instagram. We got some pretty good rollers coming down Deerfoot. Looks sweet. We got Jay the man himself. And Carly in the Tiguan. Yep. Hashtag bag everything. So, I guess we only got 2 cars left to bag. And we got Yolanda. Murphy.
They're there to watch the stage, and it's what happens. They come, they show up.
I'm gonna go get the glitter showing.
Boy, does that ever look familiar. Wonder if he's gonna get out and clean wheels.
Go, man.
Check out these custom taillights. That is freaking epic. And we got Patrick with his M3, looking clean as always. We got Danny's little toy and Justine. Man, that thing is so bright. Looks wicked.
Oh yeah. I just had to pay labor again.
Audi.
No, that's a couple of years.
That's the speed.
Yeah, no boost and smoke, no black. So probably all good. Probably goes.
What a great turnout. 12:30. It's good to see a lot of familiar faces. Now we're gonna head down and see if we can get some more rolling shots of the cars, get some pictures, and just enjoy the sunny sunshine and go for a nice cruise. Made it home for Cars and Coffee. What do you think of that rollers going down Stony Trail? Super fun. That's a long, nice drive down Stony. Lots of construction. Clearly summer has started because so has construction season. At the Cars and Coffee, I noticed one of the front bumper vinyl pieces right here was actually lifted all the way up here, so I've quickly changed that. I also had to make a really quick adjustment to the height sensor when in certain instances when I completely aired out, I still got a height sensor fault warning, so I just shortened the rod just about 3 turns and I think it's okay now. I never ever got the fault in the garage on level ground, so hopefully just those 3 turns was enough to not throw a code if we're on uneven ground again. But other than that, Stone is running fantastic. It drives so nice. Like I said, on Stony Trail, the tires silent. It's super quiet. You can't hear anything. But drop a comment. Let me know what you guys thought of today's Cars and Coffee. Which car was your favorite? And I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Please like, comment, subscribe,